Hi and welcome back. I have an update on my project polish for you. I'm just gonna try and make this short and sweet. One of the polishes that I'm actually going to declutter is this one by Glisten and Glow. It's called Quick Step in Queens. It is a gray, like hollow. This is probably the worst formula that I've ever used. It chips off my nails and like just basically slides off even if I'm using a base coat and a top coat within hours of using it. So it's not even worth me painting my nails with this because it just comes right off. So I'm gonna actually declutter this out of my collection. I'm over it. I'm done. I don't want that anymore. So I'm going to replace that nail polish with this little one from Julie G. This is in the shade Damsel. It's what's on my nails right now. It's just a really pretty pink. I was finding that I needed something a little bit brighter because I've kind of been stuck with more like neutral colors or fall type shades for the past few months, and I needed some brightness in my life. I think this one is going to go fast because it takes 2, sometimes 3 coats to be fully opaque, and it's a smaller bottle. So I have high hopes. I did mark it. It's practically full. I've used it a handful of times, but so I'm replacing. This is my replacement. All right, my Wet n Wild 206C. I am now down to here, so I have quite a bit of progress. The bottle is tapered, so I think that I'm going to get through this one a lot faster now. I'm getting sick of this polish. I think it's really kind of like on trend because it's like that dusty, rosy pink thing. But I've been working on that polish for a while. My other one is Hidden Penny by Different Dimensions, and I am down to here, so I'm about the halfway point on this nail polish as well. And I like it. I've been getting used to having like a gold shade on my nails, and I kind of enjoy it. So, but I've been working on these for like what seems like forever, and I'm getting kind of bored. This one is Sticks and Stones by Sally Hansen. My last update was at this line right here, and I'm maybe just a teensy little bit below it. I should probably mark it, but whenever I was looking at the bottle, I couldn't really tell where my progress was, but I'm like not even maybe a centimeter below this white line. This one's dark. I have it on my toes right now, and it's really pretty, and I've grown to actually really like this polish, even though I was kind of mad at it in the beginning. But you can see like the glimmers, those don't show up on the nails. It gives it a really nice shine, but it does not look like this once you actually paint it. So those are my 4 polishes. I decluttered one. So I put an X on my wheel chart or my nail chart. Nail wheel? What is this thing called? I put an X on my nail wheel for the gray, but I didn't use that all up. But those are all the nail polishes that I have used since last year. And now my color scheme for right now is the rose. I'm gonna call that a rose. I don't know exactly what this color would be called. The darkish purple one, the gold, and then the pink, just to switch it up a little bit. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope to be done with at least the nudie pink and the gold one by my next update. If that happens, then I will switch those 2 out, and probably the darker one, because I'm getting to the point where I'm not really feeling the dark nail polishes. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.